is just ahead. Are you prepared? Saving money for college is something students don't always begin to think about in their early high school career. Freshman year, most students don't even know for sure if they will be attending college. Instead, they're thinking about their grades and activities. But now would be a good time to begin thinking about what your future plans may be and considering your options and how you will be able to attain the goals you set for yourself. I recently conducted a survey about the cost of college tuition to see what knowledge the 9th or 11th grades at my school had on this topic. 60.5% answered they'd attend a four-year school, 34.2% answered a two-year school, and 5.3% answered a trade school. Most said they planned to pay for college with scholarships. The correct cost for attending a two-year institution is approximately $10,000 according to nces.ed.gov. 10.5% answered it correctly. The correct cost for attending a four-year institution is approximately $25,000 according to nces.ed.gov. 5.3% answered it correctly. 39% said they had money being saved for college, 54.3% said they didn't, and 6.7% said they didn't know. 92.1% said they are planning on working in college, and 7.9% said they didn't know. I realized that over 50% of the students said they did not have money being saved for college. I decided that this needed to change. Also, the students at my school did not have knowledge on the correct costs of attending college. I wanted to make them aware of the costs and the options so they could start saving money now. Here are some options for saving money for college. A good start would be to discuss a college savings plan with your parents or guardians. Some parents start a college savings plan when their kids are younger. If there has not been any money set aside for your college education, determine how you are going to begin saving. You could get a job and create a savings account to put money in. You could also begin to apply for scholarships that would help you pay for college. Another idea would be to take a loan out. There are several organizations you can go through that will help you fill out loan information. The loans will need to be paid back, so having a saving plan for college will be beneficial even if you have to take out loans. Next, you need to have an idea of how much money you need to be saving. If you know where you are attending college, you will be able to look up what the tuition is at that particular school. If you choose to attend a junior college or a technical college, the tuition is lower than a state college. If you are choosing a private or out-of-state college, the cost will be even greater. This may help in determining which college you'll be able to attend. Regardless of how early you start a savings plan for college, it is going to help you out in the long run once your college career begins. Saving any amount that you can put towards your college tuition is going to be beneficial, even if you have to stop buying your daily pop for a couple of months. Come up with a plan and try to follow it as best as you can. You'll feel good about it in the long run.